Hey guys, Ed Newman here. This video is to show you how to use your Facebook profile to generate leads. First thing you need is something to give away in exchange for members' email addresses. I'm using My Online Startup, a free affiliate marketing training, but you can use whatever you got. The key thing is it really has to be free. You don't want people to have to think about opting in. You want them to just give you their email address. Alright, let's take a look at... I was actually making this video earlier today, and big storm came through Bricktown and knocked my power out, so I had to start all over again. Alright, I've reset my profile here so it doesn't have any of the stuff that I'm going to show you how to do. I don't want you to think that I had this profile up before and didn't have anything on it. So first, there's 4 areas that we're going to address that you want people to be able to find your information from. First is going to be your cover photo. Second going to be is your profile photo. The third is going to be your bio area. And the fourth is going to be your featured pictures. Alright, so let's start with the cover photo. Alright, let's make sure I don't drift away from what I'm talking about. Oh, we needed a link. I have the link. I'm going to use the link I already have set up here. This is actually a ClickMagick link, but you can... it's always good to use ClickMagick because then you'll be able to tell if, when people opt in, how many people are opting in and stuff. And I'm actually going to show you a trick if I remember to do it here. Actually, I'll do it right here, and then maybe it'll remind me later. What we're going to do is we're going to put a /3 at the end of this, meaning this is area 3, so on ClickMagick you'll have everybody able to be actually go to and see where the traffic's coming from to see if, all 4 of these sources are paying off or not. Okay, so cover photo. Cover photos, I'm not going to go through here how to design them here, but there are specific sizes they have to use, and the key thing is that it has to work both on a desktop and on a mobile. So you want to focus this area like right in here. That's the kind of area you want to focus on that will show on both things correctly. But I'm going to use one that's pre-done, so I don't have to worry about that. And the way we do that is you go update cover photo, upload a photo, and I believe I have these in pictures. Must cover. Okay, here we go. The key thing about the cover photo, again, is to make sure that you have the call to action. This is a pre-done banner. If I was doing this, I would make one that actually says click here for info or something like that so people actually know to click here. I mean, this is good, but it's not perfect because of that. So this is what your cover photo is going to look like. It's going to get people to click here. So let's save the changes first. Let's see if I can drag this down. No. Yeah, okay, I can drag this down. That's probably better centered. Okay, let's save the changes. I'll tell you while we're doing this thing too, also, it's actually not a bad idea to change your cover photo from time to time, just because whenever you change your cover photo, it's going to show up on people's newsfeed as you've added a new cover photo, and that'll get their attention. And if you've added a cover photo like this, then people will jump in there and take a look at what it is. So what you want to do is you want to click here. Actually, let me go back so I can copy my information. Just going to copy my same information I had from here. So you're going to click this, and then see this information box up here. You're going to edit, and in the description you're going to put this. In this case, I'm just going to use, if you're using your own link and you don't ClickMagick, don't add this number to the end of it. That might mess up your link. This is specifically going to be a ClickMagick type link. Okay, so that when people click on your thing, they're going to see this here, they're going to read this here, then they're going to click on this thing, and they're going to go to your page. Like this is my page, so they would input their information there. Okay, so that takes care of the first area. Second area, we're just going to use that same information. We're just going to put it on your picture here. Again, this is going to come up with a box, and you're going to click Edit, and you're going to put this, and in this case, this is source number 2. Done editing. You really don't want to, see it says you can tag it, you can put a location. You really don't want to do that because it's going to distract away from people putting stuff in. You basically just want them to see your link, and that's it. In fact, in reality, I should really just delete this. Okay, that's the second place. The third place is already done. but you would take that same description and stuff and put it in here. Then the last one is going to be your featured photos. Let's make sure I'm staying on track again. I'm old and I tend to drift and don't remember things. You got that. Then you need Facebook coverage will display correctly in both mobile and desktop. Yeah, you want to take that Facebook. I better go back to it now before. You want to take this thing right here and open your own page on your phone and make sure it looks good on your phone. It's all readable and all that kind of stuff. If it's not, you got to adjust things. Featured photo, delete all pictures. Yep. Oh, we're doing good. We're on track. All right, so then the last place is your featured photos. You want to go down here and you want to click Edit Featured. And what you want to do is you want to get rid of all your. You only want one photo showing. This isn't deleting the pictures. It's just removing them as featured pictures. And then we can upload a photo. Oh, I hope I saved this one. I believe I did. Yeah, moss featured. It's kind of an ugly looking picture, but I kind of like things that have red in them. It tends to draw people's attention better. If you have moss and you go into the partner section and in the advertising images, they have these images in all different colors. Sure why this is taking so long, but okay. I'm also not sure why we have two. Oh, I guess it wouldn't let me delete all my pictures. Yeah, I deleted all of them before. You got to add this one before you delete all of them. See, not very clear picture. Oh, okay, now it's clear. Okay, then again, same thing as in the other areas. You want to click this, and you want to go here and click Edit, and then you want to put in your link again. Yeah, somebody clicks here, they're just going to be presented with your link again. So you got 4 different oh, we forgot to edit the thing for ClickMagic. Yeah, it's going to be 4. Okay. So that takes care of the 4 areas, and this is going to turn your Facebook profile into a lead magnet. So, well, the next step is, before you do anything else, is you want to go in here into your settings. I'm not going to go through all the settings. I'm just going to show you what mine are, and you should make yours the same. You want to go to Privacy. And you want your profile to be public. The rest, that doesn't really matter. This thing here doesn't matter. Who should see your friend? Who should be able to send you friend requests? Everyone. And this depends on but I don't want everybody seeing my friends, and I don't want if you let people see your friends, then people are just going to go through and tag like everybody you know, and you don't really want them doing that. And who can use the email address? I don't want people looking at my email address and phone. And do you want search engines out of Facebook to link to your profile? I didn't even notice that was a thing. Sure, you definitely want that. Again, they'll come to your profile and they'll see those 4 things to be able to opt into your page. Okay, so that takes care of us setting up our profile. Now, the next step is going to be to add the right kind of friends, and the right kind of friends are going to be buyer friends. I've already made a video from that previously, and I'll post a link in the description below so you can go and watch that video. That's the key part about getting the right kind of friends, getting buyer friends, people that have been proven to buy stuff before. Having 5,000 friends in countries who have no money isn't going to do you any good. Even though some people in those countries have money, and it's fine to add those people, but just don't go and just add friends randomly. And in fact, it's generally not a good idea to accept friend requests. You should only issue friend requests. That way you're choosing the friends that are the right type. That's just a repeat of what I just said there. And let me just show you, before we finish this video, I'm going to show you how I've learned all of these tricks and how I learned to use attraction marketing on Facebook. Well, I'm not going to actually show you. I'm just going to show you what I use to do that. And it's a program called My Lead System Pro. And what it's the basic plan is $49.95 a month. They have a trial for $1, and I think they have a trial for $10. But let me show you what you're getting for that. Training. My training library. There's thousands of videos throughout this whole course. Here's the key things. When you're at the $49 level like me, you get access to social media, networking, prospecting, posting for profits on social. For instance, if you access this, you can see that they got all these days. They got specific tasks that you're supposed to do every day. This is supposed to be to attract people to your profile and get comments and engagement and that kind of stuff. It's basically a challenge that they're issuing you. Also, one of the things I'll put in the video is a course you can get for $10, which includes the trial to this system for a month. I think it's a month. And that is, sorry, I'm blanking out again. I actually purchased this course, even though you don't have to, because it comes with My Lead System Pro. But it's called Secret Social Blueprint. And it's got all of these strategies here. I would definitely suggest you guys try this out for $10. I'll put a link in the description below so you can. The best way to do it is, let me just show you what it'll present you with. My Lead System Product Campaigns. So there's two ways you can go about this Secret Social Blueprint. Okay, this is the course. It goes through and gives you all the descriptions. Now there's two ways you can get this. You can tell me here. Just scrolling through here, everything, so you could like scroll through it and see everything individually if you wanted to. Just pausing the video, when you get the stuff you want to see. I guess this isn't the buy now. Oh yeah, here it is. There's two ways to get this training that you would own, and it's only a one-time fee. Is you can buy it just flat out for $27. It's a one-time fee, no rebill, no nothing like that. The other option is to buy it. It's only a 10-day trial. You can buy it for only $10 with a free 10-day subscription to the whole service, which is what I have, the $49.95 a month. And then what's going to happen is you'll get to keep this thing at the end, but you're going to have to go in and click to cancel your membership if you don't want to keep the membership. I mean, I'm certainly not recommending you don't keep the membership, but some people can't afford to be spending $49.95 a month. So if you feel that's you, then you can go in and cancel. There's a thing in your membership area where you can just cancel it without, you don't have to call anybody or anything like that. You just click it and reduce your membership to the free, which doesn't give you access to anything. I'm not sure that I went through and showed you all that stuff before. Let's go back and... Anyway, if you take this, you can get this thing that's $27 for only $10. You just got to make sure to go back and cancel the thing if you don't want the monthly billing. Let's make sure I don't close the wrong thing. Okay, let me go back to the training. I drifted the wrong way again. Okay, my training library. And okay, so in the this is the main My Lead System Pro. Very hard to say that because I'm part of My Lead Gen Secret and My Online Startup, so they keep saying the wrong thing in the wrong places. All right, so you get this thing here. This is that $27 course that's included with the My Lead System Pro. Then it's got the challenge here. It's got this Go for Yes. That's $1 course, but if you buy it, this system, it's built into it. The lead gen campaigns, teaches you how to close sales. Now, each one of these things includes lots of videos. Call your leads. Well, I don't call leads, but if you wanted to. A daily method of operation. This gives you a plan to do, a specific plan to do every day to get engagement on your leads. It just goes through, teaches you how to get leads. A lot of that is what I just gave you for free before. Closing and recruiting, success in MLMs, mindset stuff, They have weekly marketing webinars where they go through every week. When you join us for $49.95, this is actually one of the best programs probably in the world to promote, because you're promoting a program that teaches people how to get referrals. So anybody you refer, they can't come to you and say, well, how do I get referrals? Well, I just gave you training. The whole system is based on training on how to get referrals. So in terms of that aspect, it's a great course to promote if you're not promoting something else. Okay, let's see. We're into phase 2. These you aren't supposed to do until you finish all the phase 1 stuff. Traction marketing, targeted marketing, Facebook Live, Facebook challenges. So they give you things like challenges. This is the one they gave you before that gets you to go through and start taking action. Storytelling for profits, advanced strategies. I'm not going to go through all of these. And then the last area is the higher area. You have to upgrade far further than that. I think it's $199 a month or $149 a month. I haven't gotten to that point. I haven't even finished all this stuff yet. I think I've been in here 2 or 3 months. A lot of stuff in here. A lot of great stuff. And as you can see from some of my posts you've seen, I've made, over the years, I've made over $100,000 by just posting for free on Facebook. So it's certainly a worthwhile training to learn. All right, let's see where we left off here. Okay, please like and comment and subscribe. The subscribe button is right below. Right below. That's backwards. Right below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to get future tips and tricks. Click the bell icon to get a notification. I'll be posting future videos on this topic, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And like, comment on this video so you get notified. Kind of like the same thing I just set up here. Thanks for watching.